Well, I'm back again. It's good to see everybody. This is the best topic. So those of you who stayed for this, you're going to really enjoy the event.
I just had a question about the eBPF. Is that a hardware module that sits between the NIC and the kernel, or is that software-based?
Software. Essentially, it's technology that allows you to run sandbox programs in a Linux kernel without modifying the OS. For OT environments, since there's a lot of constrained devices, you can't really put software on it, might be limited CPU, et cetera. They're building this into the DPUs of their network equipment. So the IoT or OT devices that attach to the network can utilize this. So just imagine for a second, every switch port you have becomes a visibility and firewall engine. So instead of taking traffic and routing it to your service engines, they're bringing the service engines to the source. And since you can have so many of these engines, the SaaS, that's the key part of it, centralizes the visibility, control, and management of it. So companies like Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, they're all using this today just because of the operational efficiency and added accuracy you get because you got an AI model behind you.
Okay.
And just some of the evolution, 62443, I think most are familiar with, which does a great job, general guidelines, if you will, but nothing really prescriptive, and it didn't have the proven track record for the rail industry, ergo the birth of TS 50701, which you saw our previous presenters talking a little bit about, that addressed a lot of those gaps. TS 50701 essentially serves as a foundation for the new one Mickey just brought up, 63452. 63452 is essentially adding three major things. First and foremost, it enhances the scope, widens the scope a little bit for the system's life cycle. So everything, it provides guidance from everything from installation to decommissioning. Second is it integrates the management of safety and security. Ergo, they're trying to encourage engineering collaboration between those two groups for a more efficient practice. And then lastly, they integrate risk management. 50701's got a little bit of broad stuff on risk management, but 63452 has got a bit more prescriptive guidance on risk management, getting into different categories and stuff.